The following testimonials are from actual users of this software. Their stories are not a guarantee of results. Earning potential is entirely dependent upon the person using our product. There is no guarantee of income. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
And the next morning I woke up and I saw that I had made a sale while I was sleeping.
While I was asleep.
I was at a pool.
Sale in my sleep.
Several sales while I was asleep.
Make money while you sleep.
While I was asleep.
You've just stumbled across what many consider to be the #1 easiest system for getting your very own internet business up and running before you go to bed tonight. Thousands of people from all over the world have plugged into the 12-minute affiliate system with Sleep Sales technology to pocket online commissions while they're asleep, out with friends, or just enjoying life. Now it's your turn.
Hi, this is Charlotte Hagos, and I'm in Long Beach, California.
Lino Curci from Italy.
My name is Ani Relkar, and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA.
This is Guy Williams from London.
Hey, my name's Cameron. I'm from Australia.
My name is Mark Smith from LA, California.
John Martin's here from Toronto, Canada.
Floyd Jones here from Pensacola, Florida. And I just love being part of the 12-minute affiliate family.
Hi, my name is Teresa from South Carolina. I made my first $900 sale while I was asleep in just 3 days after joining the system.
And I made my first sale in my sleep in just under 3 weeks.
Get my very first sale within 10 days.
Hey folks, my name is Russ Vi. I'm from Ellsworth, Maine, and I made my first sale while sleeping in less than a week after joining the 12-minute affiliate system.
I made my first sale within the first 2 days of joining the system.
And I just made my very first commission in just over 2 weeks.
In just 6 days after joining the system.
In the first week, I got 100 leads and I got one sale.
I started seeing results in just 2 days.
Hello there, beautiful people. Stephanie here from Austin, Texas. In 24 hours, I got my first sale while I was sleeping.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Donald down here in Tucson, Arizona. I just love the fact that it literally builds your email list for you, which is something that you get to hold on to.
When it comes to starting an internet business, there's nothing easier than the 12-minute affiliate system.
It's so simple.
I was able to achieve 30% opt-in rate.
Even a newbie can do it.
Hi, I'm Harold from Guelph, Canada. Devon's training is so detailed, even a 5-year-old can follow along.
It's almost like a business in a box.
This program is so great, so easy to do. Anybody can do it. A newbie can do this.
The system that Devon created is very, very easy to follow.
Hey, my name is Nejan Kuipat from Sacramento, California. The system is simple, easy and straightforward, and it'll keep working when you're sleeping.
Hey y'all, my name's Troy McLaughlin from Houston, Texas. Devon Brown has created a phenomenal program that is super easy to use.
Thanks 12-minute affiliate for making my life so much easier.
Hey, Devon Brown here, co-creator of the 12-minute affiliate system, and I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to learn more about this life-changing program that we've created. As you can see, the people who are already using the system are extremely excited, and that's because they found something that works. You know, when I first started as a home business entrepreneur, I failed miserably. As a matter of fact, it took me 7 years and $40,000 before I figured out how to make money online. And you know, I swore to myself that if I ever figured out how to make money while I sleep, that I would create the kind of system for myself that I wish someone had created for me. And so that's what I got to work on doing. I created a system where you don't have to create any products, where you don't have to build any websites, and that could make you sales while you're asleep. You see, here's the biggest problem with regard to making money online. The challenge is that in order for you to make money, you need website visitors going to a website that sells a product. Well, the first challenge is, how do you get the website visitors and how do you create the product? This system handles all of that for you, where you don't have to figure out how to get the website visitors and you don't have to create your own product. But the next and bigger hurdle is this, and I want you to pay close attention. You see, when somebody comes to a website to hopefully buy a product, the problem is that there's a 99% chance that they won't buy the first time they see what you're trying to sell. This is why you need a system that follows up with people for you automatically. And if you have this system set up correctly, It can make sales for you while you sleep. That's why we call it Sleep Sales Technology, because all of the follow-up is done for you while you're tucked away, snug in your bed. If you're ready to get started, here's all you have to do. Step 1, join the system. Step 2, activate the system. And step 3, order your website visitors. It's that simple. And does it work? Well, I can answer that for you, yes, but I'd rather you hear it from the actual people, just like you, who are already using the system. So I'll tell you what, let's go back and hear more of their stories, and I'll be back in just a little bit with something special for you. And oh, by the way, if at any time during this video, you know that you are 100% ready and that you're all in and that you're ready to get started, don't wait. You have my permission to click the button on this page and get started right now. But for now, let's keep hearing from some actual users of our 12-minute affiliate family, and I'll see you back in just a little bit.
I've been trying to make money online for several years, and I've tried at least a dozen or more different programs before finding 12-minute affiliate.
I've been trying to make money online for the past 4 or 5 years, and I've tried everything from home-based businesses, e-commerce, even running Facebook ads, and nothing seemed to work like this.
I've been trying to make money from home for about 2 months now.
I've been trying to make money online for the past 3 years, and I've probably tried at least a dozen different programs before finding 12-minute affiliate.
Hi guys, my name's Nigel from Stoke in the UK. I've been trying on and off now for about 10 years trying to make money from home, including using pay-per-click advertising, which cost me a small fortune without a single sale.
For over 2 years, I had been trying my hand at affiliate marketing, and it just wasn't working for me.
So this is really easy compared to the other things I've done. This is not my first rodeo. I have tried some high-ticket affiliate sales, which were not very successful because I found all the squeeze pages and the emails very complicated. I had a very unsuccessful blog for 3 years teaching people how to eat well, and that was a huge disaster. And I also did some Kindle books and things like that. So I've tried different things, and everything was complicated to me, and I felt very overwhelmed. I love the 12-minute affiliate because it's a plug and play system. It's all put together, and once you put it on there and start the traffic, you're done. You're like, you don't have to do anything else.
The setup was very, very easy.
I set the program up myself. There was a checklist. I went through the checklist. It took me less than an hour to set everything up. And about 2 days later, I started seeing results.
I found the initial system easy to set up, and I was ready to send traffic the same afternoon.
When I joined 12-minute affiliate, the first thing that I noticed was how easy the setup was. They gave step-by-step instructions, and I just followed them and had it all set up within 2 hours.
I did not do the setup. I had Devon and his team do the setup for me.
Far from a technical person, but I found the setup really easy just by following along with the tutorials. I was ready to go the same day.
I had this thing, I bought it this morning, and I had it up and running within 2 hours of me purchasing the program.
I'm not the most tech-savvy person. In fact, I got the staff to set the system up for me.
When I joined the 12-minute affiliate program, the first thing I noticed was how easy the setup was.
The setup was extremely easy. The steps are all right there, and all I had to do was click buttons.
In about 30 minutes, I had everything ready to go, and all I did was follow the simple step-by-step instructions.
I did my setup myself, and within the first 1 week, I have generated 7 sales from it. You know why? Because it's a no-brainer.
They make it really easy to get traffic.
And whenever I want more traffic, I just order it like I would order a pizza, but by a click of a button.
My favorite thing about this system is the traffic. Traffic is super easy to get. You order up the traffic just like you would order up a pizza. Super simple to do and very easy to scale.
It makes it really easy to get the traffic. Then the system does all the heavy lifting. That's it.
They make it really easy to get traffic, and then the system does everything for you. So
I ordered traffic and literally sat back and watched my list grow overnight.
My favorite thing that I'll love about this system is the fact that it builds your email list. I mean, that's how I got my sale. My list wasn't really even that big when I got my first couple sales.
Done for you funnels already built for you, ready to plug in.
I had a full website, a full web system, a full web funnel with products in place, with email follow-ups, already built and done for me within a couple of hours.
The 12-minute affiliate system is super easy to use and the staff is really helpful.
This is the first thing that has actually worked and I've made money.
Now the thing I like most about the system is that they make it really easy to get traffic. And then the system just does all the heavy lifting for you.
This program is so great, so easy to do. Anybody can do it. A newbie can do this.
My favorite thing about the system is its user ability. Anyone can affiliate market with 12-minute affiliate, even with zero knowledge, which was me.
Don't know, it's a very powerful system.
For their ongoing support.
My favorite thing about this system is that it's so simple. Like, I just order website visitors just like I order my pizza online.
And so what you have with the 12 minutes affiliate program is a system you can just switch on and you get going.
Since joining 12-minute affiliate, my life as an online entrepreneur has been so much easier.
Since I joined the 12-minute affiliate, I feel that my life as an online entrepreneur has finally begun.
My life is definitely a lot easier because of this system.
But since joining 12-minute affiliate, my life as an online entrepreneur has been so much better. I've made sales while I was asleep several times, and the fact that I've done that, it gives me the security and the freedom to know that I can make money for my family no matter what's going on in the world, no matter what time it is, no matter what. Now, I would recommend 12-minute affiliate to anyone who is looking for a legit way to make money online and make sales while you're asleep.
I highly recommend 12-minute affiliate. Devon Brown is an exceptional leader. The support staff is top-notch, and our Facebook group feels like a real family to me.
You're looking for a predictable system that works for you to make money while you sleep, you should definitely become part of the 12-minute affiliate program.
Anyone wanting to earn extra money on the side without having to do much work would definitely benefit from 12-minute affiliate.
If you're someone looking for a predictable system that works for you while you're sleeping, you should definitely become part of the 12-minute affiliate family.
So if you are really tired of messing with all these complicated squeeze pages and paying too much at and stuff like that, then this is for you.
This is the business for you.
I would recommend 12-minute affiliate to anyone who is looking for a legit way to make money online and make sales while you are asleep.
I think you should give it a shot.
To make money online, I strongly recommend and urge you to start with this system. It's going to cut the learning curve. It's going to cut the learning curve. It's going to put you in a position where you can start earning money right away and not do it like I had to do it and took the long way around.
And they actually give you a free vacation just for getting your system set up.
And they actually gave me a free vacation to Cancun just for getting my system set up. That's crazy.
I want to say thanks to 12-minute affiliate for sending me on my dream vacation to Mazatlan, Mexico.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
My free holidays to Tenerife in Spain.
I even scored a free trip to Phuket, Thailand.
Free vacation to Vegas. Sending me to Phuket, Thailand.
And I really got to thank them for sending me to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
Hey, Devon here again, and you've just seen for yourself 100% verifiable proof that the 12-minute affiliate system is literally the internet's #1 easiest system that allows you to make sales while you're asleep. And the best part is that it's so easy to get started with that you can have everything up and running before you go to bed tonight. All you have to do to get started is 3 simple steps. Step 1, join the system. Step 2, activate the system. And step 3, order your traffic. It's that easy. So, what are you waiting for? A free vacation? Okay, well, I'll tell you what. When you click the button on this page today, right now, Just for getting the system up and running and giving it an honest try, I'll give you a free vacation to one of over a dozen exotic vacations. Yes, this is serious. You've already heard people talking about it, and I'll even put some more examples of the free vacations that we've given away to real members further down below on this page. So, you've got no more excuses. It's risk-free, you're getting a free vacation, and most importantly, this is the system that you've been looking for all along. Go ahead and get started right now. Get started today. Follow the instructions on this page, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for your time.
I am building my list and business with 12-Minute Affiliate. The key is to plug in and stick with this for super results and financial freedom.
I've never gotten results like that so fast. I feel like I finally got the keys to the kingdom of true financial freedom.
The support team is wonderful, the sense of community and the family is wonderful, and I just can't say enough good things.
Everything, including traffic, is done for you.
The support is really top-notch.
I really like the extra support they offer. Devon himself provides regular updates, competitions, and Copy Devon plans of action, where literally you just copy what he does to boost your results.
Some of these companies, man, they get your money and that's it. You're a done deal. They don't care nothing about supporting you. But Devon and his crew at 12-Minute Affiliate are totally different.
And now that I am a part of the 12-Minute Affiliate community, I really am excited for what's to come.
I recently found a mentor through the program that will help me work the way that I need to work.
I feel part of a community that I wouldn't have been able to pursue or be part of had I not joined 12-Minute Affiliate. And in addition to that, there is a sense of accomplishment. Everybody posts their accomplishments on there. I got another subscriber. I got a sale today. So it's really cool seeing everybody's success all in one private group.
They really go above and beyond to help you and make you feel like family.
The Facebook group is so great for me. The reason why, because before the actual sale came, I knew it was going to come because I saw everybody in the group posting like, yeah, I got my first sale. I got my first sale. I got a couple sales today. I woke up to this today. And so I'm like, okay, I hadn't gotten my sales yet, but I'm like, okay, it's coming now. It's coming now. And boom, it came. It came.
Reason why I love being part of it so much, I mean, we're a bunch of like-minded people coming together with one common goal: to get rich.
All you have to do is get traffic to your opt-in pages, and from there, the system literally does all the heavy lifting.
If you're someone looking for a predictable system that works while you're sleeping, then you should definitely join the 12-Minute Affiliate family.
Please do come onto this program, sign up, you will never regret it.
If you're looking for the real deal, this is it. No question about it.
I would recommend the 12-Minute Affiliate system to anyone looking to create a home business that is proven, easy to follow, and has great support from both its staff and its fellow members.
If you're a newbie to internet marketing at all, I don't know exactly what to do, this is a program to be a part of.